I'm not sure if it's copyrighted, but they will be doing a game called Toilet Time as you can play a video, and it's going to be fun. So this is Toilet Time. I'm going to play some Toilet Time. Let's just go right on in. I got a few. Okay. Ooh, I got the fish. I played this, but I've never really done it. I've never done it. Ooh, girl, we don't want that to happen. Speed it up. I think I have played this video once. Find out the temperature ahead. Wash your hands. This had a really disgusting features, but you have to basically have to love your toilet. What point at the right after the kitchen? Oh, fish bubbles. I hate one. What did I do?
Oh my god. No, the fishies. Oh my god. I'm pretty good at this game. Ew, I hate that. Don't even look at that. It's a pretty easy game. I would suggest buying it. So here's... I forgot the symbols. Why? Kids, don't drop your fish down the toilet. That's not good. Game over. I got 17. Ooh, I unlocked a new level. Ooh, this one. This one. Try to get the flower. And I have to unlock all these levels. Okay. I earned 5 keys. Okay, so 5 toilets. A cheese. A steak. On my first one, I got 24, so it gave me a lot. We've got 1 key, so let's go to the museum. So first one, I got nope. Also known as the pyramid. Some people believe it was built by ancient aliens. So we're about to open this one. Use my key. Use. I couldn't open that one. Ooh, what's this? Do you guys know what that is? It's like a bunny, something. It's part of the museum. Use your waste to keep the whole ecosystem alive. The ultimate asset in green pooping. Okay, that's nice. Next goal, 18. What did I just do? What did I just do? I just went inside the shower, so my hair is obviously gonna be like this. I don't know if this is copyrighted music. Okay, so I guess that didn't work. let's just play again, I guess. Just go straight into it. 18. It's obviously in this one. There we go. Bye, fishy. I try my best to be the best, like, this is the best I have as a gamer. Old men be like, help me, it's not the right temperature. I'm gonna play one more game. Perfect. No! I literally was touching it. Obviously in this one again. I'll pay attention. Attention. Ten more to go. Let's see if we can get to 18. Where are my dentures? Ugh. Oh no. No, no. No, the fishy. I cried today. I watched Life in China, I think it's called. And I cried because I don't want to spoil it, but something happens. But I cried and I got so sad. If you know what I'm talking about, then yeah, I cried. It's right here. Hold! What the heck? What is wrong with you, boy? It's right on the edge of glory, and I'm hanging on the moment with you. I'm on the edge. That was so close. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I'm just kidding. I knew that. 3 more to go. Oh my god. No, no, no. Oh my god, that was so scared. One more. Oh my god, this one's like the hardest one. No! I was so close. Boy! Later. Got 5 things. Taco! Another cheese? Ew, broccoli. A jellyfish? I think I got all the... Oh my god. Oh my god. You guys want that again? That was crazy how that did that though. Oh my god. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I hope you guys enjoyed that gameplay. If you really want me to do another one, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Oh god, another game started. We're gonna stop that, and maybe next time we'll play another game if you guys want me to. It's your guys' choice. See you guys later.